On a remote island in the chilly South Atlantic, a resilient little penguin named Paco captured the hearts of wildlife researchers. After being caught in an oil spill, Paco was rescued by marine biologists who meticulously cleaned his feathers and nursed him back to health. Despite the odds, Paco's determined spirit shone through as he quickly adapted to his new environment at the wildlife sanctuary, becoming a symbol of hope for other injured animals. Paco's endearing antics and the close bond he formed with his caretakers brought smiles to everyone who visited, highlighting the indomitable spirit and adaptability found in the animal kingdom. Today, Paco serves as an ambassador for environmental awareness, teaching visitors about the importance of preserving marine habitats.